Hi guys, it's Jenny, and I'm back with more ways to work this overage pickup glitch deal. And you want to know because it's a way to save an extra $5 any day of the week. So come on in and I'll tell you about it. And on your way, like the video. And of course, share with your friends. And if you're not one of our friends and you're just stopping by, well, let's fix you up right now. Hit the subscription button below and the notifications. Make sure they're all on. And that way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. And we got lots of that coming this week because, oh my gosh, there's so many deals that you want to know. All right, everybody. Please don't forget to leave a comment and emoji. It helps us tremendously. Keeps us in the YouTube spotlight. They run by an algorithm. Those of you who know, you know what I'm talking about. But those of you who don't, just know that your interaction is super important to us. So it's a great way to help myself and any of your favorite creators and the other people who watch the videos out without even doing anything but hitting a click. Okay? So thank you very much in advance. I appreciate it and love you for it. And blessings, because I'm about to bless you with some stuff. Well, if you've been watching, you know we got this phenomenal little double glitch going on. In the newer operating system stores, it is working on pickup orders, okay? In the older operating system store, it is working on the register. It is not working at the self-checkouts. So what is the glitch? Well, the glitch is the Caesar Simply wet dog food $5 coupon, and it's attaching to one particular Caesar's meal topper, chicken, carrots, and green beans. Not only is it giving you that item absolutely free, but you're getting overage. It's a $5 coupon. You're getting $2.70 in overage. That's phenomenal overage, guys. That's free stuff across the board. I mean, whatever you want. That's a lot of free money. So, let's look at what we can use it on. With some more free money, because I got more free money for you. We've got the Scott Instant Savings still going on. If you did not get in on the Scott this weekend, it's still going on. And we can make it an any day of the week kind of deal. We also still have the dollar coupons on the Scott toilet paper and the Scott toilet paper towels. So you're going to get a total of $5 off when you spend $16 on Scott products. And then an additional $5 off for getting that one thing of Kraft Simply wet dog food. Now this is the cart. Have a look. Summary is $19.60 in items. The deals applied was $10 in deals. Subtotal out of pocket $9.60. Now it has been a long time since we have gotten our Scott products that low. So that is a winner chicken dinner. Do that this week. Even though we're going to be doing Sparkle because we've got those awesome $4 off 2 Sparkle paper, digital coupons. So, I love me some Sparkle. So we're going to be doing some of that. But in the meantime, get Scott. And if you need toilet paper more than you need paper towels, adjust the deal accordingly. Pick up to $5 TPs instead. So like I said, just adjust it accordingly. It will still work. So this, like I said, is a great deal. And you can use this overage on almost anything. I actually used it on the True Living paper towels that were on sale. Let's see. They were on sale for $3.70. The regular $3.95. So they were $3.70. I had a $1 digital coupon, made that $2.70, and guess what? All I paid was tax. They were absolutely free. a savings of $6 for the True Living Ultra Quilted Paper Towels. So if you need something, this is a great way to get it free. $2.70 instance or overage. So great deal. Don't miss out, guys. Find you an older store or do you a self-checkout. Blessings, and we'll talk again real soon, because like I said, there is so many deals that we're going to be busy this week saving money after money after money.